TIMEMORE Chestnut C Manual Coffee Grinder, ElephantNum featured, C1, red. Efficient and precise grinding. This is a manual coffee grinder specially designed for grinding coffee beans. It has a built-in 5-axis CNC numerically controlled sharp blunt steel grinding core and dual bearing center axis positioning, making the grinding particles more uniform, accurate and efficient. Ergonomic Non-slip Design. The coffee bean grinder uses a 3-dimensional grid design, which is stylish, classic, comfortable, non-slip, and fits your hands perfectly. It is easy to use and saves your time and effort. Adjustable thickness setting. The coffee grinder uses a point-type polar scale adjustment designed to facilitate memory of the thickness scale. Just adjust your conical burr coffee grinder to achieve any desired grain size, from extra coarse to extra fine, which is ideal for cold brew, French press, Chemex, drip coffee, pour over, espresso, etc. High grade and durable. The burr grinders for coffee beans is made of high-quality space aluminum and baby-grade safety resin materials plus exquisite craftsmanship, which is safe, rust-proof and durable, allowing you to enjoy a more convenient and healthy coffee grinding experience. Compact and portable. Lightweight and portable design, and comes with a carry bag, make this manual coffee bean grinder more convenient to carry and store. It is ideal for home, office, cafe, travel, camping, hiking and more. It is a great gift for coffee lovers or family and friends. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.